Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best fall balance for your furry friends on the road, the COOYOO Dog Seat Belt 3-piece set. If you're a pet owner who loves to travel with your dog safely and comfortably, this product might just be the perfect addition to your car accessories. The COOYOO Dog Seat Belt is designed with your dog's safety and comfort in mind. It is crafted from heavy-duty nylon webbing, which means it can withstand all the pulling, tugging, and even chewing that energetic pups might throw at it. Reinforced stitching adds an extra layer of durability, and the metal components are built tough to prevent accidental unbuckling or snapping during your journey. What sets this dog seat belt apart is its elastic buffer design. This feature acts like a shock absorber, softening any sudden jerks or movements while you're driving. It helps reduce the risk of choking, giving your dog some freedom to move around comfortably within a safe range. This elastic bungee buffer really makes a difference for dogs who may get anxious or restless during car rides. Adjustability is another key highlight. The seat belt extends from 24 to 31 inches, allowing you to customize the length to suit your dog's size and preferences. The aluminum alloy clasp rotates a full 360 degrees, so whether your dog wants to sit, stand, or lie down, they can do so without feeling restricted or tangled. Plus, the swivel clip attachment ensures the leash won't get tangled, which keeps your pet comfortable and safe. Installation is straightforward and compatible with most vehicles. The seat belt's tab is 0.79 inches wide, designed to fit most car seat belt buckles, so you won't have to worry about compatibility with your car model. Just clip it into your car's seat belt receptacle and attach the other end to your dog's harness. Remember, for maximum safety, always connect to a harness and never to a collar to avoid choking risks. An added bonus is that this set comes with 2 dog seat belts and a collapsible water bowl, which is great for keeping your pet hydrated during longer trips. It's clear that COOYOO has put thought into convenience and comfort, making traveling with your pet easier and safer. In summary, the COOYOO Dog Seat Belt 3-piece set combines durability, safety, and comfort. Its elastic buffer design, adjustable length, and swivel clip make it an excellent choice for pet owners who want peace of mind on the road. If you're looking for a reliable, well-designed dog seat belt to keep your pup secure and comfortable during car rides, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Safe travels with your furry friends.